What's up, guys? It's Steve, the graphics guy, and today I am in the shop and doing a little improvement to something that's been bothering me for a while. You've probably seen it before, but this is our packing, shipping area, and a lot of things are pretty well organized here. But these tubes and the spot for these 3-inch tubes, cores, whatever you want to call them, has been a mess. And now that we've been stocking two different sizes, for the most part, 48-inch and 60-inch, having them here doesn't really work. We can't really keep them organized, and it's hard for some people to reach them when one set is up here and the other set's down here. So today we're gonna fix that. All right, so I originally got this awesome sample kit from FlexPipe, and I've seen a couple other people use these pipes and connectors to build new fixtures, custom to whatever they want. And I really wanted to go with this, and I love that I could get them in red and blue to match the red and blue, and other colors and different things and all that. And I'm thankful that they sent that to me, but unfortunately, that's just a little too expensive, mainly because of shipping the pipe, which, you know, getting 10 foot of pipe shipped anywhere in the country to me is going to be a little expensive. So I went a different route. These connectors are basically the same exact thing, except they're made for 3/4 conduit, which I have here. So, you know, just like that, easy. And so those are like a T, and then I have some 90s here that can also go up that way. And I already had some of this conduit anyway, from the office here, of course. And so I just grabbed a couple more sticks, and let me show you what I plan on doing for this spot. All right, guys, here's the plan. I want 2 rows, but I can only do 5 tubes wide because of the bigger tubes that sit below these tubes. So there's going to be 5 tubes wide. I have to decide which the split is going to be. I'm pretty sure the split is going to be here. And so that's kind of the base. This is what I already have. This little shelf sitting on a couple 2x4s, and these are my pallet rack uprights. So what I'm going to do is use these right here, and they're going to go to this cross tube. This drawing's terrible, but that's what we're basically going to build is this. It's going to go down to that, down there, and then I'm going to have another pipe here, and from the side I'm going to have like 4 of these pipes, keeping the long tubes on one side versus the other, and then this is going to secure those center tubes, which are these, so that it stays standing up. It's going to make more sense once I start doing this. All right, so the first couple pieces I need are going to be 17. So I've got those marked. And I have wireless bandsaw. I was hoping a pipe cutter would be a little cleaner, but this is going to be a lot of work. So I'm probably about to do that. This is taking forever. All right. Wasn't that bad, but took a little while. And then I got a pipe reamer, which has a lifetime warranty. And RIP to the headphone users, if that's the case, I'm sorry. Not sure which way I'm supposed to be doing that. Could be better. It's not bad though. And so this first one I think is going to be split. Let me show you. All right, so the plan is oh, that's tight. What I want it to be. The plan is like this, where that's going to fit pretty perfectly. So I'm going to need a few of these horizontals, at least 4. Yeah, we'll start with that. Top, bottom, front, top, bottom, back, and then some connector poles in between. Something has to connect them this way though. We're going to get to that. For now, I'm going to start with this. twisted. Those little single hole straps. And I think that's gonna be pretty good, honestly. I'm gonna try to figure something else out for the top, but I don't know. I wanna get this loaded up though and see what it looks like. All right, let's load this puppy. Can't even see. How are you supposed to see? I'm standing on the left. That's a different one. Okay, but wait, there's more. Alright, well I'd say that is pretty awesome for a couple pieces of conduit, a couple connector pieces from Amazon. Got a nice split here, and it's gonna make it easier to grab these, and they're just so much more organized than how that box was before. So yeah, this is what it is, and I'll let you guys know how it works out for me. I appreciate you guys watching today's video. If you made it this far, you guys are the best. Please drop a comment, be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with some friends that might like this sort of thing as well. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.